Welcome to another episode of Vlogmas. So guys, I ended a vlog in this same attire. Yeah, so I'm starting a new one. What's happening is that I have some leftover soups. For some, I know that I do not have meat in there, so I am going to put them together to make them one. So this is groundnut soup and this is palm nut. So that is what I am doing. Then later in the day I would make some chicken. Hey, you make it chicken. So later on I will make some green pepper sauce. Yeah, green chili sauce we don't have, so I will make some guy and there. And then I holiday tomorrow will be a holiday, but then it is what it is. Chicken, yeah, I had to cook some chicken because I need the sauce for my green chili sauce. You know, the green chili usually we don't add powdered fish. Yeah, I sometimes do. That is if I don't have chicken stock. So what I have in here is a little bit of oil, not too much, unlike before, guys. I have got another oil. This one I got two. One was 200 Ghana cedis. So unlike before, I would have poured an over generous amount of oil into this, and when I am done I will pour it into a container and pretend to be using it and tell myself that I'll use it for shito when I know that I have no plans of making shito. As you see, I need to open what you see. I'm going to use the same oil for the green chili sauce, so I will strain it. I already have a video on how I make my green chili sauce. I have all the ingredients listed in that video, so I will link it for your reference. I'm done with the soup, the chicken and the pepper. It's 1:18 now. I'm now going to have my first bath of the day. So I'm going to fetch water. I have done the dishes. Nanu's also helped me. Next is fun. Where am I now here? Okay, so I am refreshed now. I was catching cruise on YouTube. I was watching other creators' videos. So Necha and Mami are back from school and work. So I want us to do the needful, you know it. Yeah. you know it in one way. We cannot have it with any other food apart from fufu. And even yesterday, we took our pesto to the clinic, so it is new, it is looking fresh, so we have to test it today. Let's set the fire, okay? It's almost soft, but the charcoal is very soft. I think it's a bit light. By this time, my body is because body need to move hot to first. Hey, that's how it is. Again, I didn't do she, but I said it's your question. They didn't turn on. Guys, this is where the fufu ended. I think. This is one of the pestles we took to the hospital yesterday. What has happened, if I should tell you, in this era of making videos back to back, I've lost one video. The intro to this particular, the intro to another clip, I have lost it, where I took the pestle to the hospital for it to be amputated. Guys, I have lost that one, but then I'll make it up. I'll find a way to make up. So this is a new one. Usually do is to use one cassava. You pound with one cassava to remove any dirt or whatever from it. You can check. Guys, this girl has been crying for popcorn, and then her mom made her some. But that's what I want to mean. Her mom made, and our baby her mom made her some popcorn, and she's watching Jennifer's Diary. And just as you people do in movies, then she'll be smiling, jiggling, and pointing on the screen. I miss her. Who feel it? Who feel it? Sir? Who feel it? Yeah. You're much of kiss. So guys, on this note, I bring you to the end of another vlog. I know you are enjoying this. I know you are enjoying these vlogmas as much as I enjoy bringing them to you. Until I grace your screens again with another video or vlog. 1, keep hope alive. 2, I pray that whenever you say a prayer, you don't forget to say one for me and my household. 3, we live with the peace and the mercies of the Most High. Peace. Oh yeah, say shalom and chop kiss. 4, bye bye.